to introduce you to this newly traded in 2015 Honda Accord EXL. Alright, here we are looking at the exterior of the Accord. You'll notice how the chrome accents contrast really well with the burgundy paint. Also, this vehicle is Sparks Certified. Why does that matter to you? This vehicle has just over 25,000. With that certification, that's going to give you powertrain coverage for 75,000 miles or 7 years, whichever comes first. Also, there's a good shot at the tread on the matched Goodyear tires. Notice on the mirrors you have turn signal indicators. The vehicle also has a sunroof, chrome accents surrounding the windows, alloy wheels, fog lights. And over on the passenger side, it has a really cool feature I'm going to go into a little bit more detail on. It's called lane departure watch. There's actually a camera housed in the mirror housing, and if you go to make a right turn, it's going to show you video footage of your blind spot. Great safety feature. Inside. Oh, one thing I did forget to mention, this does have the smart key system with push button start. Now at first glance you see a very light tan interior. This contrasts beautifully with the black carpet and accents in the cabin and the burgundy paint on the exterior. There's a good view of your sunroof. One thing to point out about the seats, they're both powered. The driver's side is memory, and both the driver and passenger have multi-stage heating. These screens are going to act as your backup camera, all your audio controls, and your Bluetooth controls. Right below there are your climate controls. On the steering wheel, you have buttons that control your cruise control, your audio, your Bluetooth connectivity, and even the lane departure watch system, which will display on those center screens in your cockpit. There's a good view of the buttons that control those features, as well as your economy button. Oh, and one other really cool feature about this car, it has all-weather mats, something you wouldn't expect to see on your average Accord. Alright, here we are looking in the rear of the vehicle. I always like the vents to keep the rear occupants comfortable. And again, you have all-weather mats back here as well, just to keep the resale value up, keep the condition how it is now. Plenty of seating for 3, and I'm really impressed by the amount of legroom I'm seeing. Alright, here's a look at the trunk open, obviously. Tons of cargo volume. Also, if you take a look at this button, you can fold the seat flat in front of you, therefore giving you more cargo volume if you don't need to use the rear seats. Alright, here we are at the front of the Accord, this time with the hood up, obviously. Gives you a great view of that Honda Earth Dreams iVTEC 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. Also take notice of the stability bar that's going to keep this vehicle on the road and increase your traction. Also, you have sound insulation material and weather stripping throughout to keep the sound in the engine bay and the elements out of it. Guys, thanks again for your time. It was an absolute pleasure going over this 2015 Honda Accord EXL with you. A couple things to remember, it has just over 25,000 miles on it, and it is Sparks Certified. There's a ton of features on this vehicle. If you have any questions, just pick up the phone, give us a call, 843-236-2161, or you can always check us out online at sparkstoyota.com.